With the size and strength of our equipment, we're able to spin a 92-inch diameter cone at a 90-degree included angle. So we can go out to 92 inches. Aluminum, we can go to 1/4 inch thick material to finish thickness. Very beneficial for companies that are doing a lot of channeling and funneling of bulk powder, and it eliminates a lot of welds that spends a lot of time, and quite frankly it's very difficult anymore to find welders. Hey, my name's Thad Revel and I'm the outside sales engineer for Glenn Metalcraft. We're a metal spinning company that specializes in thicker gauge material and larger diameters. This example right here is a cone that's used for bulk powder and bulk transport. And we start with a 1/4 inch thick aluminum, and we form that over the tooling to get this a nice smooth finish. And it's the conventional way to do this is through using press brakes and welding up the side. We eliminate the weld process. Another one of our wow factors is the fact that we can actually spin 1-inch grade 50 material. So you can take instead of, some people would forge, some people would machine. What we're able to do is we're actually able to flow form that around a piece of tooling, and then with that you can go back and machine it. So you save a lot of time and effort rather than hogging out a whole bunch of material. You can make a hollow shell 1-inch thick. We start with a round metal blank and we form it to the size that we need, and we're able to trim it afterwards to get exact dimensions. Something like this, we wouldn't have a problem with 15 to 30 thousandths on diameters, and same for heights. Unlike the stamping processes where if you change metal thicknesses, you'd have to change your tooling. For us, the tooling is the same no matter what. I can throw this on as aluminum, I can use a stainless blank, I can use just a regular steel as well, abrasion resistant as well. The advantages of spinning is that the tooling is much cheaper than with stamping. We've made as little as 2 pieces per run, we've made several thousand. So that, again, another advantage for us. This was a need that a customer had for a bell housing for their transmission. And what the advantage is with this is that we could go ahead and spin this to the shape that they needed, spin it out, and even come out to the flange here, come back to a water jet, and we were able to cut out the pattern that they needed for their flange. So again, another seamless part, reduce the amount of welding, and all we had to do was come back and laser cut the top flange and weld that with our robotic welding. So with this part here, what we're able to do with our tooling is go ahead and actually make a gas tank filler. So what we're able to do with this is we can actually, with multiple spins, smaller pieces of tooling, but what we can do is we can spin down, out, then on another piece of tooling come spin the back profile to get what we need. But the tolerances are exacting enough that we can actually use a press fit of an aluminum tube and do a final machining on the back side. You talked to us at the beginning, we can sit there and design out the process, and we can make the tooling handle a lot of the design and take a lot of the guesswork out for them. An engineer will come in and he'll have a rough idea of what they want. Let us help you on the front side, because I can design with the tooling a lot of your problems away. We can come through, if you've got a concern on how you're going to assemble this or this, let's make it seamless. Let's just do one part, let's get the profile set up and get you squared away that way and save you a lot of hassle. We serve the whole country. Have a car, we'll travel. We'll go talk to anybody at any time, anywhere about this stuff. We also export. Most of our exports are used and the end product gets exported. But yeah, we have no problem with meeting anybody and talking to anybody about anything.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.